In the heart of a humble African village, surrounded by lush green trees and beautiful flowers, lived two siblings named Amara and Issa. Amara was 12 years old, wise beyond her years, and always eager to help her family. Issa, her 8-year-old brother, was full of energy and loved playing football with his friends. Their village was small, but it was filled with warmth, love, and the scent of fresh flowers that grew in every corner. The villagers took pride in keeping their homes and surroundings clean, believing that cleanliness brought good health and happiness. One sunny morning, Amara and Issa's mother asked them to help with the chores around the house. "Children, we need to clean the house and the compound. There's an important visitor coming to the village, and we must make sure everything is in order," she said with a gentle smile. Amara nodded eagerly. She enjoyed helping out and knew how important it was to keep their home tidy. Issa, however, wasn't as enthusiastic. He would much rather be out playing with his friends than sweeping the dusty yard or washing the dishes. "Do we really have to do chores today?" Issa asked, his face scrunched up in a frown. "Why can't I just go and play?" Their mother knelt beside Issa and said, "My dear son, cleanliness is important. It keeps us healthy, makes our home welcoming, and shows respect for our surroundings. Besides, when we work together, the chores are done quickly, and then you'll have time to play." Issa sighed but agreed to help. Amara handed him a broom and showed him how to sweep the compound, making sure to gather every leaf and twig. As they worked, Issa began to see how much better the compound looked when it was clean. "Amara, look at how tidy the compound is now," Issa said, feeling proud of his work. Amara smiled. "See, Issa. When we take care of our home, it becomes a place we can all be proud of." Next, they moved on to washing the dishes. Amara scrubbed while Issa rinsed and dried. They sang songs as they worked, making the chores feel like a game. Before long, the house was sparkling clean, and the yard was neat and tidy. Just as they finished, their mother called them over. "Amara, Issa, come and see who has arrived in the village." The children rushed to the front of the house, where they saw a group of people gathered. In the group stood an elderly woman with kind eyes and a warm smile. She was the village elder, someone everyone respected deeply. "Good afternoon, children," the elder greeted them. "I have come to visit and see how everyone is doing. I must say, your home looks beautiful and clean." "Well done." Issa beamed with pride. He was glad that he had helped with the chores. The elder continued, "Cleanliness is a sign of respect for ourselves and our community. When we keep our surroundings clean, we show that we care about each other and the place we live." That evening, as the family sat down for dinner, Issa turned to his sister and said, "Amara, I didn't know how important cleaning was. I thought it was just boring work, but now I see how it makes our home better." Amara smiled at her little brother. "I'm glad you learned that, Issa. When we take care of our home and help each other, we make our village a happier place." From that day on, Issa never complained about doing chores. He even started helping out without being asked, knowing that every little effort he made contributed to the cleanliness and happiness of their home and village. The end. Children, remember, cleanliness is more than just keeping things tidy, it's a way to show respect for ourselves, our family, and our community. By working together and taking care of our surroundings, we create a happier, healthier environment for everyone. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, please leave a like, share with family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe.